Parallel grading. Perform parallel grading on pattern outline lines and construction lines. Often used for bra pattern grading. Now let's look at the two patterns in the image. Take this one for example. We'll perform parallel grading on just this single line. We select the parallel grading tool and left-click on the line. Next, enter the desired grading value. For example, to centimeters. Click Average Size. Click OK. It will perform a 2 cm parallel grading along the original line's trajectory. It's like this. We'll perform parallel grading on all its outline lines. You can drag to select the entire pattern with the left mouse button, then right-click. Here you'll see the option Same Data for all columns. For example, enter 1 in the L1 field. You can see that the data in each column is the same. When ticked, its value is the same. If you uncheck it, you can enter a custom value for each column separately. Click OK. It will then perform parallel grading on all outline lines based on the values you set. That's how to use the parallel grading tool.